In this video, we will go through a slip stitch, a felling stitch, a blind stitch, and a blind catch stitch. A slip stitch is a great way to finish any hem with a clean or rolled finish. Begin your stitch by pushing the needle into the folded crease of your hem. Angle your needle at about 45 degrees and catch one or two threads of your fashion fabric. On your rolled edge, insert the needle immediately beneath where you just caught your fashion fabric and run it through the fold for just less than 1/4 of an inch. This is the most secure and the most invisible of your hand hemming stitches. Because the thread is almost entirely enclosed, it will not catch on anything that could cause your hem to pucker or come undone. A felling stitch isn't quite so stable or invisible as a slip stitch, but it's much quicker to do. This stitch can be used on a rolled or an overlocked hem. Begin your hem in the same way, pulling it into the inside edge of your hem, coming out just over 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. Push your needle through the garment fabric immediately above your hem, catching one or two threads at a 45-degree angle. Continue to push the needle at this angle between the hem and the garment front until you are about 1/8 of an inch from the top of the inside layer. Bring the needle out from between the two layers and repeat as before. This will create a small vertical stitch every 1/4 inch or so, with a small slanted stitch falling or felling between your two layers. A blind hemming stitch is by far the fastest of the stitches, but it's also the least stable. Starting between your two layers of fabric, take a small bite from the inside edge, catching one or two threads at a time. Go across about 1/4 inch and take an identical bite from the fashion side of your fabric, staying about 1/8 to 1/4 inch from the top edge of the hem the entire time. As you stitch and tighten your thread, the stitch will become invisible or blind between the two layers of fabric. This stitch is nearly identical to the blind stitch with just one small change. In this stitch, you will continue to zigzag between the hem and the garment along the entire length. However, this time you will point your needle opposite to the direction in which you are stitching. By doing this, you will create a small loop or catch at every stitch. This provides more stability than the blind stitch, while also giving the hem a little more movement, something that you need in fabrics with some stretch to them. To tie off, repeat whichever of the stitches you've been using until you reach the end of your hem, whether that's by coming to an edge or coming full circle. Tie off by making a small loop into your rolled hem and pulling your needle through and then tight several times. After doing this 2 or 3 times, push your needle between the layers of your hem for about an inch before coming out, and proceeding at that point to trim any tails. And there it is. With these 4 stitches, you are ready to take on the hand hemming world. Happy stitching!